Natural expectorants, also known as syrups, are excellent for our bodies, be it for alleviating coughing or lessening the symptoms of a cold or flu. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, natural expectorants help clean the airways and alleviate lung congestion, avoiding the development of more serious diseases. To help you make your own expectorant syrup, we brought 2 different suggestions aimed at coughing. Let's check them out. Onion, lemon, and honey. Onion is a powerful natural antibiotic and is also considered a natural expectorant. It can be blended with other ingredients to be even more efficient. In this recipe, the onion is combined with lemon, which strengthens the immune system, and honey, an expectorant and bactericide. Write down the ingredients. 1 onion, 13.5 ounces water, juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons honey. Peel and wash the onion. Put it in a pot with water and boil for 15 minutes. Keep the onion in the water and wait for it to cool down. Once cold, remove from water. Then add the freshly squeezed juice and honey to the water. Mix well and drink. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Carrot, ginger, and honey. Once again, honey is present in a natural expectorant syrup since it is great at it. The ingredient is also crucial to make the juice turn into syrup. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action. Write down the ingredients. 2 carrots, medium-sized, 1 teaspoon ginger, freshly grated, 1 tablespoon honey. Rinse and peel the carrots, then slice them finely. Put the carrots to boil with the ginger in some water. Once they are withered, overcooked, turn off the heat. Add the honey and grind until it becomes a puree. Add some of the water from the boiling to help. Keep the syrup in a closed glass container. Take a few spoonfuls of it throughout the day to eliminate any build-up phlegm. So, did you like the recipes? Did you know any of them? Share your experiences with us. If your symptoms aren't gone after trying the natural expectorants, talk to a doctor. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.